Hi guys, so I was gonna do a quick little shop with me at Tuesday morning, looking for some Halloween stuff. They had these cute little signs, but $5.99, no thanks. Out of candy, this was cute. Welcome to our haunted farmhouse, like little sign. They had a couple of pillows, literally, that's it. Put a spell on you. They had some like light up lights, but I know they have something similar like this at Dollar Tree. Here's the pumpkin, bats, pillows, light up signs, or not light up signs, they have sequins behind them. Here's some more pillows and stuff in the very front of the store. They have this Curiosities brand, the DCW paper pads. They had these at Joann's last year. These are $6.99. I don't know. I don't know if I didn't like a lot of the papers or it was too grungy, but I just knew I wouldn't use it. They have the heritage stuff here, paper, some ephemera. I know they had some stickers, some sunny days, some, what are those other Maggie Holmes stickers up at top? But the shelves were very bare compared to the last time that I was here. As you could just see, it's like everywhere I like kind of looked up, it was slim pickings. And they said they're not closing, but the shelves are speaking otherwise.